Hey guys, welcome to my channel. To start off this tutorial, fold your fabric in half like this to the desired length you want for your dress. When making a kaftan dress, there is often no joining at the shoulders. The fabric is folded at the top like that and it folds to the sleeve just like that. So we will fold again in half and we will take our measurements. Just fold your fabric again like this in half and we will take the measurements, the back and front together. Take your shoulder to shoulder measurement divided by 2. Mine is 15 divided by 2 is 7.5 and I just marked it right there. Now I am taking 4 inch for the width of my neckline and also 4 inch for the length of my neckline, and I will just connect the lines and create my neckline curve. Now from here I will take my armhole depth, which is 8.5. Now I will be using the whole of that for my sleeve. Now from the armhole depth, place your tape rule and slant your tape rule slightly upwards, and that would be your sleeve opening. Now on the armhole depth, take your bust measurement divided by 4 and take 3 inch for ease. Now I will take my shoulder to waist, which is 17 inches, and 17 inches is also standard for shoulder to waist measurement. Now I will take my waist divided by 4 and 3 inch for ease. Now from here I will take 9 inch downwards for my waist to hip point, which is 9 inches, and on there I would take my hip measurement divided by 4 and 3 inch for ease. Now another way to get your hip point is to minus your shoulder to waist, which is 17, by your shoulder to blouse length, which is 25. Now you would minus 25 minus 17. What you get will be your hip point. Now I just took my dress length and I will take what I took on my hip, the measurement I placed on my hip. I will place that at the bottom of my dress. Now I am just adding 1 inch for seam allowance. I am also adding 1 inch at the bottom, and next thing I will do is to connect the lines. Now your armhole shouldn't be sharp, it has to be a little bit curved out. Now I will just create a little bit curve right there. And also curve out all the sharp edges. And next thing I will do is to cut this fabric out. This way I have my front and back fabric cut out at once. Now I'll just go on and cut out the rest. Now next thing we will do is to cut our pocket pieces. Now I am just taking 7 inch for my hand insertion. Now just place your hand on your fabric and just trace around it. And we will cut this out. Now you would cut about 4 pieces, a pocket and a facing, a pocket and a facing. That would be at 2 sides. making 4 pieces. Now I will just cut about 1 inch in width, and this will be for biasing my neckline. Now once you're done cutting this out, just place it right there on your neckline and join the fabric's good sides together and stitch all the way around like this till you get to where you started from. Now once you're done stitching, you're going to fold it back inwards to the back side of your fabric and fold the rough edge like this and sew all the way around. Now from my shoulder, I will place my tape rule and take about 18 inches downwards, and this is going to be where I will place my pockets, and I will mark this on the good sides of my fabric. Now also remember to place your seam allowance and add your pockets at that seam allowance and stitch the good sides of your pocket together to your fabric, to the good sides of your fabric. Now once you're done doing that, go on your sewing machine and fold your sleeve inwards like this. You can double fold or fold once and stitch all the way around it. Stitch all the way around it. Once you're done doing that, you're going to sew all the way from the sleeve to the side seams, to the pocket and back to the side seams, and we're going to stitch all the way down to the bottom of the dress. And also go on and fold in the bottom of your dress and sew it. Also remember to do the same on the other side, and that will be all for this tutorial. It's as easy as ABC. Thank you for watching, guys. Please make sure you like and subscribe, and hope to see you in more videos to come. Stay blessed.